Hey guys, welcome back. So it's time to try another car pack. So this time we're going to jump into the Team Swarm cars. So I'm actually pretty excited about this one because there's a good variety of cars in this pack. There's also been some pretty good feedback online about these. I was also checking the suspension of each car, and they do seem to try and be accurate to the car they're representing, which is good. So the first car I'm going to jump into is Max's E46. So there isn't a whole lot of details about it. And I don't really know a whole lot about BMW, so I don't even know what kind of motor's in there. So all I know is it makes 466 wheel horsepower, 599 newton meters, and in this case it weighs 1,285 kilos. So with that, let's jump in. All right, so starting off at Queensland Raceway. So this has a Haltech dash, this model. So we'll come down in third. Just nice and easy. Oh. Bit too easy there. Should have been a bit more aggressive. So yeah, the car interior is modeled pretty well, pretty good. I'm honest, not normally a fan of the digital dashes. So should be able to use fourth in turn one. If we get it right, we can flick it and get it into turn two. And if we get it right, we can get the entry to the center part of the track. Just stuff that up a bit. Another car with a sunroof. But yeah, like I said, it's modeled pretty well. Oh, I stuffed that on up completely. So I was wondering where the window controls are. I wonder if that's them down there next to the gear stick. Or they just haven't modeled it in this car. But yeah, so the car... The power's good, so I think it has a red line around 6.5. I think people swap 2Js in these. But yeah, I don't know what kind of BMW motor it would be. I should try and see when it makes boost on the next straight. I always find this turn a bit deceptive at Queensland Raceway. It seems tight and then opens up. And then that gets quite tight there. And then the last turn opens up again. Alright, let's go fourth. Maybe we'll use fifth, see. So 3,000, 4,000. Some of the cars have a, you can see it's like a quite big turbo for the motor. And you can really feel when they start to make boost. Oh, I'm not going to go wide enough. See if we can get the inside again. Or I'm just going to drift past it. Alright, let's go around. We'll try that one more time. Don't go off the track, use the extra bit. we go. So these cars seem to have a lot, well, I guess more grip than the DWG cars, but maybe it's also because I wasn't using them on the grippier tyre. Alright, so I can get fourth out, flick it back. If I can get turn 2 right, get it out wide, get back the other way. Didn't really drift that, more just slid past it. There's a bit of a drop there. Don't actually remember there being a drop at Queensland Raceway, but I haven't been there in a long time either. Try to keep it up a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to change over to the Kunos drift track. Alright, so over on the Kunos drift track, like I said before, this is my go-to just for the handling side of it. Alright, third. So the car feels, I guess, a bit slowed. Well, yeah, see, it grips up a lot more than the other cars that I've noticed anyway. Third, just hold it through the tight little section. So this car has a feels pretty linear with torque. Definitely had other cars in this pack, which you'll see later, that it's a lot more difficult to keep that throttle control because you got to keep the turbo engine going. Oh. Right, fourth, big flick. So yeah, they are different to the DWG cars. It just takes a while to get used to them, but definitely not having the same troubles as like when I first went to the DWG cars from World Drift Tour Street. Come on, no, it was left edge. But yeah, I think when I was checking, this car list is set up as double wishbone front and rear, and I'm pretty sure the steering rack on these is in front. Apparently that's better. I don't know why. Alright. Third. Oh. Yeah, I do like that about these cars. There isn't a lag with the engines, and if you fall out of the power band, you will stop drifting. We're going to hold it. Concentrating a bit too much on the car to actually say too much, but I'm trying to keep it off rev limiter. Yeah, these do handle well. It's just trying to, I think, get used to that extra grip initially is what I wasn't used to. Can we get it out to the wall? I can, but too close. We'll go back and get some speed. I thought I'd really have that, but yeah, way too close. Alright, build up some speed. Go around the outside. Out to the edge of the track. We'll go fourth. Clutch kick. Back to third for the corner. Alright, we'll try this again. So just keep it in fourth. To third. Might actually be able to make it around in fourth. Let's try here. Fourth. No, just flatten fourth, hold it. Alright, see how close to the wall I can get again. Probably run into it again. I did it that time. Alright, let's just see if we can do this part in fourth. Fell out of the power band. Yeah, so that's the first car of the Team Swarm pack. Like, the interior is bottled well, has good power. This one feels, yeah, fairly linear. The handling is really nice. I do like the extra grip of the tires and the fact that when you, I guess if you take your foot off the throttle too much and fall too much into the power band, you will straighten up. There was, yeah. So, yeah, good start to the pack. Looking forward to all the other cars. Like I said, there's a lot of variety. Thanks for watching, guys.